Morning dear children, welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to wind up this unit. The class is very fast and so many portions are to be covered. So please adjust with the class and cooperate patiently. The first activity is Independence Day. Here a picture can be seen and PTA has given tricolor flags to all the 627 children. Did you note what the headmaster said? Each flag given to children costs 7 rupees. Then how much did the PTA spend for this? Look here. Price of one flag 7 rupees. Here how many students are there? Number of students is 627. So 27. Flag is distributed to all the students. So amount spent by PTA is equal to one flag is rupees 7. So therefore we want to distribute 627 children. So amount spent by PTA is equal to 627 into 7. Here we split 627 as 600 plus 20 plus 7 according to their place value. Then each number is multiplied by 7 and then add the products. That means 627 is equal to 600 plus 20 plus 7. And we multiply this 600 plus 20 plus 7 into 7. 600 into 7, it is 4200. 20 into 7, 140. 7 into 7, 49. We added these 3, we get 4389. Here, the actual multiplication is 6 into 7, 49. Right? Only 9. Then the remaining 4 is added to the next product. 2 into 7, 14. Plus 4, 18. Remainder 1. That remainder 1 is added to the next product. 6 into 7, 42. Plus 1, 43. Here the steps are explaining. 7 in 627 is multiplied by 7 and we get 49. Write only 9 and this remaining 4 is added to the next product and so on. Okay, this actual multiplication is used in the higher classes, but this is the simple way to understand this actual method. The next activity is a reading room. The PTA gave a contract to get benches at 1657 rupees each and tables at 2395 rupees each. Then PTA has decided to buy how many benches? 6 benches and 4 tables for the reading room. For one bench, the cost is 1657 and for one table, the cost is 2395. Then the question is, how much money is needed? Here, number of benches they want is, number of benches in the reading room is 6. Number of benches in the reading room 6. Number of tables 4. Price of one bench 1657. Therefore, price of 6 benches is equal to 6 into 1657. Here we split 1657 according to the place value. 1000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 7. Then 1657 to 6 is equal to 1000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 7 into 6. First multiply 1000 into 6, that is 6000. Then 600 into 6, 6 into 6, 36 and add 2 zeros, 3600. 50 into 6, 5 into 6, 30. Then add 1 0, 300. Then 7 into 6, 42. Adding these 4, we get 9942 rupees for benches. Then price of one table is 2395. They bought 4 tables. Therefore, price of 4 tables is equal to 2395 into 4. Here we split 2395 as 2000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 5 into 4. 2000 into 4, 2 into 4, 8, 8000. 300 into 4, 3 into 4, 12, adds 2 zeros, 1200. 90 into 4, 9 into 4, 36 and add 1 0, 360. 5 into 4, 20. Adding these 4, we get 9580 rupees for 4 tables. Then total price spent by PTA is equal to, add these two. Add the price of 6 benches and the price of 4 tables. That is 9,942 plus 9,580. We get 19,522. This is the total amount for 6 benches and 4 tables. Join hands. 627 children donated 8 rupees each to the Nanma fund. Then how much was received from the children? Then next question is 23 teachers of the school gave 325 rupees each to the fund. Then how much money was collected from the teacher? Here there are 27 children and each donated 8 rupees each. There are 23 teachers and each gave 325 rupees each. Find the total amount. Children in Nanma fund 627. Donation of one child 8 rupees. Then donation of 627 children, 627 into 8, split 627 as 600 plus 20 plus 7 into 8. 600 into 8, 6 into 8, 48, adds 2 zeros. 20 into 8, 2 into 8, 16, add 1 0. 7 into 8 is 56, total 5016. Then number of teachers is 23. Donation of one teacher 325 rupees. Donation of 23 teachers equal 23 into 325. Here 300 is splitted as 3025 is splitted as 300 plus 20 plus 5 into 23. Here we split 23 also. That is 323 plus 20 into 23 plus 5 into 23. Then here we split 23 also. That is 300 into 20 plus 300 into 3. And 20 into 20 plus 20 into 3. Plus 5 into 20 plus 5 into 3. That is 6000 plus 900 plus 400 plus 60 plus 100 plus 15. That is 7475. Another method. Then 325 into 23. First split 300 plus 20 plus 5 into 23. Also 23 is equal to 20 plus 3. 300 into 23. 300 into 20 plus 300 into 3. 20 into 23. 20 into 20 divided by 20 into 3. Next 5 into 23 is equal to 5 into 20 plus 5 into 3. Then product 6900. Here 460. Here 150. Adding 6900, 460 and 115. Adding these 4 we get 7475. That is the product of 325 into 23. Then the next method 325 into 23 as here 325 into 20 and 325 into 3. Then here 325 is split as 300 into 20, 20 into 20, 5 into 20. Here 300 into 3, 20 into 3 and 5 into 3. Here 6500, here 9975. Adding these two we get 7475. Then in short we can say that 325 is split as 300 into 20 into 5. Then multiplying by 20, 23 is split as 20 and 3. Multiplying by 20, 20 into 300, 6000, 20 into 20, 40, 20 into 500, total 6500. Multiplying by 3, 3 into 300, 900. 3 into 20, 60. 3 into 5, 15. Total 975. Multiplying by 23 means adding these two. 6900, 460, 115. Total is 7475. Then the actual multiplication, that is 325 into 23. First multiply 325 by the unit place digit 3, we get 975. Then we multiply 325 by the digit in the tens place, that is 2, that is 650, and write this from 10th place to leftwards. Total is 7475. First multiply 325 by 3 in ones place of 23. Then next multiply 325 by the 2 in the tens place of 23 and write to the left starting from the tens place. This is the multiplication of a 3-digit number into a 2-digit number, and this actual multiplication is we used in the future classes. This is the easy method to understand this actual method. The next is multiply and fill. 37 into 3, 111. Then 37 into 6, 222. 37 into 9, 333, and like that. Here the one of the multiplying factories 3, 6, 9, 12, and the multiplying of and the table of multiplying table of 3, or add plus 3. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, and 15. 12 plus 3 15. Next 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 3 24, 24 plus 3 27. Therefore we get the first step 3 1, second step 2 3 2, third step 3 3. Then write this looking this pattern. Then the next is 1089 into 1089. Then 1089 into 2, 2188. Here look, here the one of the product is 1. Then starting from 1, and the next digit is the number before 1, that is 0, and 8 9. Here multiplying by 2, the answer in the first digit 2. Then second digit is one number before 2, that is 1. Then 7 8. Then multiplying by 3, first digit is 3, next digit is one number before 3, and 6 7. Like complete this table. Then pen problem. My India club in school gave pens and notebooks to 248 children of the LP section on Independence Day. The price of a pen is 25 rupees and the price of a notebook is 30 rupees. Then how much did the club spend in all? Number of students in LP section 248. Price of a notebook given 30 rupees. Therefore price of 248 notebooks equal 248 into 3. Split 248 into 200 plus 40 plus 8 and multiplying by 30 we get 7,440 rupees. Then price of ink pen, that is 25 rupees. Then price of 248 pens is equal to 248 into 25. Here also we split 248 as 200 plus 40 plus 8 into 25 and multiplied by 25 we get 6,200. Therefore the total amount spent by the club is equal to, for books 7,440 and pen 6,200, total 13,640 rupees. That is total amount of 248 notebooks and 248 pens is 13,640 rupees. The next activity is dictionary. Then in Manu's school, the Grama Seva Club gave dictionaries to the 124 children of class 7. The price of a dictionary is 125 rupees. Then how much did the club spend? Number of students in the class 7, 124. Price of one dictionary, 125. Therefore, price of 124 dictionary, that means for all the students, that is 124 into 127. This is product of two 3-digit numbers. Here we have to split these two 3-digit numbers. That is 124 into 125. First split 125 as 100 plus 20 plus 5. Again we split 124 as 100 plus 20 plus 4. 124 into 100, 124 into 20, 124 into 5. Here 100 into 100, 20 into 100, 4 into 100. That is 12,400. Here 100 into 20, 20 into 20, 4 into 20, it is 2,480, 2,480. 100 into 5, 20 into 5, 4 into 5, that is we get 620. Therefore, 124 is equal to 100 plus 20 plus 4, and the product is adding these three, 12,400, 2,480 and 620. Answer is 15,500. Or otherwise, in brief, 124 is split as 100 plus 20 plus 4. And 125 is multiplied as 125. Multiplying by 100, 100 into 100, 10,000. 100 into 20, 2,000. 100 into 4, 400 total, 12,400. Multiplying by 20, 20 into 100, 2,000. 20 into 20, 400. 20 into 4, 80, 2,480. Multiplying by 5, 5 into 100, 500. 5 into 20, 100. 5 into 4, 620. Multiplying by 125, 12,500, 2,500, 500. Answer is 15,500. Then comes the actual multiplication. That is 124 into 125. First multiply 124 by 5 and write 620. Again 124 is multiplied by the 10th place digit 2. We get 248 and write it from the 10th place to left. And again 124 is multiplied by the 100th place digit 1 and write from the 100th place to left, that is 124. Then adding these three we get 15,500. This is the actual multiplication of two 3-digit numbers. This is the easy way to understand this actual method. Next, reverse and add. 23 plus 54, 77. Here we are reversing the numbers. 23 as 32 and 54 as 45, again 77. Then 42 plus 46 equal to 88. Reversing the numbers, 42 as 24 and 46 as 64, we get 88. Like this, complete this also. And reverse and multiply. 23 into 64, 1,472. Then reversing these three numbers, the 23 as 32 and 64 as 46, we get the same product. Like this, 13 into 93, 1,209. Reversing the numbers, 31 into 39, we get the same number. Write it here and complete this two. Then multiply and add. 1 into 9 plus 2, 11. 12 into 9 plus 3, 111. 123 into 9 plus 4, 1,111. And the ones are increasing. Like this, complete this pattern. Then, next, 21 into 9, 189. 321 into 8, 2889. 431 into 9, 4321 into 9, 38889. This is also a funny table. But complete this pattern like that. Complete this 5 patterns also. Felicitation. The Panchayat held a felicitation meeting for school children. The 36 students who got A+ grade for all the subjects for SSLC exam were given yearbooks worth rupees 375 rupees each. The 9 girls who got the first prize for group dance in the state Kalolsavam were given bags worth 325 rupees. And the unknown children who took part in art and sport competition were given trophies worth 105 rupees each. The 100 children who did various scholarships exams were given books worth rupees 150 rupees each. Then how much did the panchayat spend for each item? Here there are 4 sections. A plus holders, then A plus holders in the SSLC examination, then first prize holders in Mohiniyattam in the Kalolsavam, and then sports and competition holders and scholarship holders. There are 4 types. Full A plus holders 36. They got an yearbook of price 375 rupees. Therefore, price of 36 yearbooks equal to 375 into 36. Split 375 and as 300 plus 70 plus 5 and we get 13,500 rupees. Here also we are splitting 36 as 330 plus 6. Here 375 is equal to 300 plus 70 plus 5 and 36 equal to 30 plus 6. Then the first prize holders in group dance, that is 9. Price of, they got bag. Price of 1 bag 325. Price of 9 bags 325 into 9 2,925. Then participants in Kalolsavam 102. They got trophy for what rupees 105. So price of 105 trophies is equal to price of 102 trophies is equal to price of 102 trophies is equal to 102 into 105, that is split 102 as 100 plus 2 and 100 plus 105 is equal to 100 plus 5. We get 1,710 rupees. Then participants in school exam, scholarship exam 100. They got a book of what rupees 150. Price of 100 books is equal to 100 and 150. That is easy multiplication. That is 15,000. Then total 13,500 for A plus full A plus holders. 2,925 for group dance winners. 10,710 for Kalolsavam winners. And 15,000 for scholarship winners. Total is 242,135 rupees. Adding and multiplication. That is 1 plus 3, 2 into 2. 1 plus 3 plus 5, 3 into 3. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, 4 into 4. These are consecutive odd numbers. Here first 2 odd numbers 1 plus 3. 2 odd numbers. Their answer is 2 into 2. Here are 3 odd numbers 3 into 3. 4 odd numbers 4 into 4. 5 odd numbers 5 into 5. Write the next 4 lines. Then what is the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 19. To find the sum of consecutive odd numbers, multiply the number of odd numbers by itself. Next, 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 2. 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 into 4. Then 5 plus 7 is equal to 2 into 6. And 7 plus 9 is equal to 2 into 8. There are consecutive 2 odd numbers. Write the next 4 lines. Then what is 17 plus 19 and 31 plus 33. Here is example 19 plus 21. We write product answer is 2 into 20. Between 19 and 21, 20 excess. There is an even number 20. So 19 plus 21 is equal to 2 into 20. That is 2 into the middle number. To find the sum of two consecutive odd numbers, multiply 2 by the middle number between the 2 consecutive odd numbers. Brain work. 2 into 5 into 13, 10 into 3, 13, 30. Like this complete. Here 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Therefore 10 into 13, 130. Here also 2 into 5, 10. Here 25 into 4, 100. 50 into 2, 100. The easy ways are marked here. So there is no change when the products are interchanged. The order of the numbers are changed, then product has no change in the case of addition and multiplication. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. There also 3 plus 2 also 5. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, if the order is no change, then there is no change in the product. Therefore, first multiply 2 into 5 and then multiply by 13. Here, first multiply 2 into 5 and then multiply by 25. Here, first multiply 25 and 4 and then multiply by 16. Here, first multiply 50 into 2 and then multiply by 3. Then, increasing and unchanging. 24 into 25, 600. 32 into 5, 50 is equal to 1600. Here, 24 into 50. Here, 25 is doubled as 50. Therefore, the product is also doubled as 1200. Here, 32 is half. Become half, that is 16. Therefore, here the product is become half. That is 1600 by the half of 1600 is 800. Then 24 into dash is equal to dash. And then look at this question in the text also and then write it. Then there is a change. Here 8 into dash is equal to and 4 into dash is equal to here. Then here 2000, this question is 24 into 25 600. Therefore 24 into 50. 25 is doubled as 50. Therefore this product is also doubled. Here 32 is half. Then the product is also become half. Here 24 into dash is equal to 100. Which number is here? Here 24 into dash is equal to 4800. Double of 2400. Therefore here also the number is doubled. 8 into dash is equal to 1600. Which number? Therefore 4 into dash is equal to 1000. Complete this also. Then next, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 into 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 4 into 4. Write the next 4 lines. If 16 is the middle number, then what is the sum? Here, a definite number and from the number left and right, there are numbers up to 1. Here 2, then left 1 and right 1. Here the middle number is 3. Then there are 2, 1 in the left, 2, 1 in the right. Here the middle number is 4. Left 3, 2, 1, right 3, 2, 1. Therefore, the sum is product of the middle numbers. That means 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. If 16 is the middle number, then what is the sum? 16 into 6. That is, from a definite counting number up to 1 from in left and right, when its sum is the middle number into the middle number. Check the middle number and the product of the middle number is the sum of this number. Find the pattern. Here we are given so many numbers in the square. Then how many patterns can we make from this square? Explain your patterns. 2 patterns are given. 3, 6, 9, 12. Increasing by 3. 6, 15, 24, 33. Increased by 9. Like this to find the patterns as person. Then add and see. There are how many small digits, small triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many large numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Large triangles 4. Small triangles 10. Then, how many small triangles in large triangles? In large triangle, how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, write the numbers 6, 12, 18 and up to 60 from the sum of the numbers in small triangles in each large triangle must be 150. Write the numbers of each small triangles as 6 to 60. In here 6, here 12, here 15, the multiple as is up to 60. But one peculiarities here, that is, in a large triangle there are 4 triangles, 4 small triangles. In a large triangle there are 4 small triangles. The numbers we write in the 4 triangles in a large triangle, the sum of these numbers is 150. The sum of these 4 numbers must be 150. We can write numbers from 6 to 60 in small triangles, but in such a way that in a large triangle there are 4 small triangles. The numbers in the 4 triangles adding together we get 150. Like this. One of the example is, here we write 60 is in the middle, 6, 12 and like this, and 54 plus 6 plus 30 plus 60 as 150. 60 plus 48 plus 18 plus 24, 150. 60 plus 42 plus 12 plus 36, that is 150. You can write another pattern. You can write the numbers in another side, and but one thing, the sum should be 150. Then the multiplication of a 4-digit number by 9 is shown below, with some numbers are missing. We get only the product 9 and these 2 numbers. Here we get 1, that is, and the one of the multiplying number is 9. In the multiplying table, 9 into 9 is 81 and the unit place digit is 1. Write 1 here, and the remaining 8 is added to the next product. Here second number is 6. If 6 is in 16, 26, 36, etc. If here 1, 9 into 1 plus 8, 17. Here 2, 9 into 2, 18 plus 8, 16. Therefore, here the number is 2 and 6. Remainder 2. Then here 1 into 9, 9 plus 1 plus 2, 11. Here write 1 and remaining 1, and remaining is 1, but here the addition is not possible. So this number is 0. 9 into 0, 0 plus 1 plus 2, 2. And 9 into 1, 9. If here the number is 2, 9 into 2, 18. 2 digits. There is 1 column for writing a number. So except 1, there is no number is matching here. So here 1029 into 9 is equal to 9261. The next activity, training. A 2-day camp is held for 125 teachers in a district. On the first day they are given 145 rupees for food and 275 rupees for lodging. On the second day only 105 rupees was given for food. How much is spent in all for food each day? How much is spent in all for lodging each day? Number of teachers 125. Therefore, expense for food for first day 145. That is, expense for food for 125 teachers, 125 into 145, 18,125. Expense for food on the second day 105. For 125 teachers, 105 and 125, 13,125. Then expense for lodging 275. Therefore 125 into 275, 34,375. Then there are 3 questions here. Out of this, one is homework. The other 2 are explained here. And the last one is 48 travelers. The fare between the different places in an express bus from Thiruvananthapuram to Kozhikode are given below. Bus fare is given as follows. Then 48 travelers boarded to bus from Thiruvananthapuram. 36 of them bought tickets to Kozhikode and the rest to Ernakulam. 8 persons boarded at Ernakulam and bought tickets to Kozhikode. Then how much is the total collection for the entire trip? Here, total travelers 48. To Kozhikode, how many of them? 36. Ticket fare is 475. Therefore, total ticket is 17,100. Then remaining out of 48, 36 of them are from Kozhikode to Kozhikode. The remaining 12. They to Ernakulam. Therefore, total charge is equal to 12 into 260, 8,120. From Ernakulam, 8 of them to Kozhikode. Therefore, their ticket charge 8 into 227, that is 1,816. Total collection to Kozhikode 17,100, to Ernakulam 3,120, and from Ernakulam to Kozhikode 1,816. Total 22,036 rupees. Then today's last problem. Today's last problem and also this unit's last problem. The question, you should read these questions very carefully as yourself. Here explaining only the answer. Akshara bookstall. Then they gave dictionary for 3 ways. There is one can buy as a single payment or in 2 installments or in 3 installments. Price of dictionary a single payment 600 rupees. In 2 installments, each of them as 325, therefore 2 installment means 650. In 3 installment, each installment is for 240, from 3 installments 720. 1 installment cost is 325. Therefore 2 installment 650. Here in 1 installment they had to pay 240 rupees. For 3 installments 720 rupees. But in a single payment only 600 rupees should be given. Amount got for 29 persons. 600 because 29 persons bought the book from single payment. Therefore 29 into 600, 17,400. And 32% bought the dictionary as 2 installments. Therefore they paid 650 rupees. 650 into 32 to 20,800. Then 38 persons bought the dictionary as 3 installments. They paid 720 rupees. Therefore total 27,360 rupees. Then total amount as single payment, 2 installment and 3 installment, you get 65,560 rupees. Then how many persons are bought dictionaries? 29 plus 32 plus 38, 99 persons. If 99 persons bought in single payment, then what's the amount? 600 to 99, 59,400. Which is greater? Paid as single installment, 2 installment and 3 installments correctly. Therefore, here it is installments are greater and single payment is lesser. The difference is 65,560 minus 59,400, that is 6,160. This question is little tough to understand. Therefore, surely once again I will take this chapter after completing the whole unit. So don't worry dear children, don't worry. I will explaining this chapter once again after completing the entire unit. But listen this class very carefully and understand each steps. Steps are very important for mathematics. Okay.